What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today we're going to be installing two new, I guess you could say, mods on the Type R, but they're basically Honda accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. I know the last probably video you guys saw was the new wheel, so just finished her washing her up and finally put some armor roll on the tires. But man, look at the new wheel setup. This thing is crazy. Look at this, man. Look how concave the wheel is. That's insane. So man, my vision for this car came to light, and I like now how when the car is lowered, the added lip actually extends the front out a little bit more. So that is dope. Or Vera swing flap. So here's the two parts we're going to be installing: the back seat protectors that go behind the seats right here, and we're going to be installing the cargo net. So this is the cargo net, and it basically, if you have stuff in your trunk, it doesn't roll around and has like a net. You go tighten it and stuff won't move around and stuff like that. So that's the part number for that one, 08L96. That's the part number for the other one. So let's go ahead and open these up. Hopefully y'all can see me. My head might be cut off, but it's actually two pieces. Basically on the back of it, all you gotta do is take off this Velcro to help it stick. And you can probably save these in case you want to take them off and stuff like that. So take all of these off. There's a little latch right here. You pull down on it and the seats come forward. When you'll be able to put the seats all the way down, now you got some extra protection for the stuff to not move around and stuff. So that is a pretty nice and inconvenient cover that they came up with by Honda. So that's pretty dope. And like that. My hand is right here. Pull the latch. So convenient. That's the nice thing of having a hatch. Line it up with this hole right here. Got some more protection on each side, and then you lock it in place. So the next thing is this cargo net. This thing is like huge, like a bag of yarn. So it looks like a net actually. Got the little, I guess, clips. Comes with a bag of clips. These 4 little clips for each side, plastic. To go on the back hatch hooks, and I'll show you guys that in a second. I'm actually gonna put these white things in here. Dang, it's like every mod I do is like complement something else. It's crazy. Sheesh. This thing is kind of big. So this is the net. All you got to do is basically take this hook and put it on the edge of it. So we're gonna take this hook, that hook, and then we're gonna hook it on here. And then also got like a little hook in the inside. So it has like its own little hook right here. So it looks like there is no right or wrong way to do this. It really depends on do you want the logos to be out like that one over there, or do you want no logos to be out? You flip it the opposite way. But basically the string is right here to pull it to make it tighter, and everything just hooks up to these little hooks. So there's a hook right there, 2, and then there's those hooks up there, so you just pull them out. So that one's in, this one is in. In like that. So it's gonna sit back here like this. Hope you guys can see. Can fix it a bit better. The net should sit like something like this, guys. So hope you guys can see that, but that's pretty dope. So now you get groceries and stuff, you can put it you can move the net to the side because it's super big, and then tight your groceries down if you have like cans, bottles and stuff like that. That's super convenient. And then that's how the back of the back seat protectors look as well. So both of them are pretty nice, really nice and dope. Super convenient. I like how it came out. And of course, fitment is on point, plug and play all the time. Also got the cargo tray, which I showed in previous video as well. So pretty dope. Nice little mod, super simple. You could do, take you 5-10 minutes. That's it. All right guys, so that's it for the backseat protectors and cargo net. Those two accessories is pretty neat. For the backseat protectors, you can actually put a actual hood back there. You can put like a 60-inch TV back there. I've seen somebody put 4 wheels back there and a jack back there as well. It's pretty dope. I've seen people use like the cargo net to hold the jack down. I don't know if you guys ever seen those actual Mugen crates and those HKS crates. It's like an actual fold, like flat crate that you can fold it up into like a square, and it's plastic, and you can put like tools and stuff inside of there. You can use that net to hold it down. So that is another pretty dope convenient box that you can carry around as well. I started seeing a lot of Type R owners do that as well. So that is a pretty good idea, to get like one of those Mugen crate or HKS crate, keep it back there, fill it up with supplies, extra tools, 10 mils and stuff like that, and hold it down with the net, which is pretty dope. So that's a nice little idea. I might have to steal that idea. So I hope this video helped you guys as well. But definitely guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos on the Type R and the Agent Honda Civic Si, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. Peace.